Okay, hello, waveform 13. I would not like to update right now. Browse all projects. Open project. Music stuff. Sound design. There you are. Sound design dot traction. This should be it. This is it. Interesting. I really like that connect node one. What's this? I'm gonna mess around with these later. Goodness sakes, what was I cooking up in 2025? I think I did a pretty good job making these sound like sort of plasticky. But yeah, let's check chat. Hello, waveform 13. Yeah. This is what I do most of my music stuff in, so like, I'll have to stream myself making music sometime. Yes, I want to discard changes to that. I'm not going to close that. Oh shoot. I can't stream that, turns out. I don't have the processing power. You heard how it started ripping itself apart? But yeah, this is an older version of one of the songs that I've been working on, since there's a lot of software that isn't compatible with Linux, which is what I'm on right now. So I have dual booted Windows on this computer, and I do all my music stuff on Windows, which is unfortunately not Linux. Oh yes, Beatbox. I love that one. Yeah. I actually used... Hang on, I gotta see which one it's on right now. Okay. I'm gonna skip around a bit to... I should probably close this. Okay, so the song after this one I made in a mod of Beatbox, like an entire stack, like it's a mod of Ultrabox. Abyssbox is what it's called. This one here, I'll turn it up. This was made in Abyssbox. I'm pretty proud of it. I had the idea for it while I was messing around on my keyboard. And yeah, because I had like delay on, and I was like, hang on, I can make a sound with this echo stuff. So yeah. Sire! Sire! Fire! Good sire. Good sire, I do believe that you would put me to death if I don't make you shiggle about, so pretty please be entertained by my words. It's been almost 1.5 hours. Should I? Yes. Giving a jig of my oath. That made no sense. I think I might be getting tired. Nah, it's only... Yeah, I should go to bed soon. Yeah. Thank you. It's been a very fun first one. Thank you for being my first viewer. Except for that one bot during a test stream. Yay! I wish I could have been there for you day one. That would have been very nice. But if, unfortunately, yeah, we don't count that bot. What's this one called? It couldn't have been that bad. Yay! Yeah, I should probably, try. Ooh, you sure about this? Yeah. Like a big map, as in like a video game map, or like just like a. 'Cause you're a geography nerd, so it was probably like a normal map. Whoa! Wait, okay, so how deep does the Wyvern lore go? A month? No, how deep does this lore go? There's no way you have a whole continent for this thing. That's crazy. Man, I really gotta start looking into that more. Like, I don't know where to start with it, though. Nearly 5 years. Oh, I can't even hold on to a project for more than a week. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, about that comics thing I'm gonna do. Hopefully, once I get it done, it's gonna be multimedia. Some of it's gonna be music, some of it's gonna be comics, some of it text, some of it even games. I hope to have a program up that will be able to host it all in one place, which is this project file right here. As you see, we have start sound from URL whatever and whatever, and here we have the directory. So yeah, this technically works. I just need to like integrate features into it and stuff, like get auto searching for stuff like that. But yeah, this should be something pretty easy to build, hopefully. I just need to figure GitHub out. I do have a few characters planned. I think that key carder guy is gonna be in there, possibly. And I know of a few other ones. I still have to design the starting form of the main character and find out how to evolve the main character into their final form. And then I also have to design their best bro. And not final form in any like super extreme way, just like their looks evolve over time. It's not too big of a lore drop, I guess. I should probably just say it. Yeah. Like the main, so like when characters spawn into this universe, they all start out as like blank mannequins, like think TADC sort of mannequins, like the posing mannequins, you know. And yeah, posing mannequins, whatever, like similar to those, but not quite. Like blank faces, not quite T-pose, like they're all rigged and stuff. But yeah, they all start out looking the same and stuff, and what they do is, using the sort of like creator tools they have access to, they make their own looks, and eventually the main character is going to end up looking sort of let's see here. Oh yeah, here's the project for Key Carter, but this isn't who I'm talking about for the main character. I really like this. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Why did that happen? I really like the name I picked for this. Okay, so when I moved computers, like before I moved computers, I was not organized at all, and then when I finally got there, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna set up so that I'm organized off the bat. So that was kind of easier. Yeah, Key Carter. He's a printer. Ref Sheet Dakota. Is this the new one? Hang on. Let me close this other project. The Daikin Player. Oh boy, I'm lagging. What's taken? Okay. Okay. Yep, that's the new one. Okay, so basically, what the main character is probably gonna end up looking like by, like, I don't know, after the first few chapters, maybe, like, whatever, it's probably gonna end up, where is it? Probably gonna end up looking kind of exactly like this. Because, yeah, I want to give this character Dakota lore and whatnot. So, the main character is Dakota. Not the actual, like, me Dakota. Like, I've split them into two. Like, you understand? Yes! That was the idea. Yes, yes. But yeah, it's something I'm pretty excited for whenever I get going on it. In fact, I'm probably one of the main things